I know it's been a long time since I made my last recording, but as of right now, this is kind of like a little test and kind of an update because I'm recording on a new camera that I got kind of recently, about a month ago at the time I'm recording this. And yeah, I know the uploads about this truck hasn't been consistent because a year ago, right now, tomorrow will be a year ago when I officially started school for gunsmithing, and I'll be done with that at the end of October. So once I had enrolled in school, about a year ago, that had took a lot of priority over the truck. But I just wanted to make a quick update, letting you know that I haven't forgot about the project. Like with life, sometimes projects and stuff like that for fun kind of take a back seat. So with me being focused on school and work and just trying to balance life in general, well, the truck hasn't fallen to the wayside, but hasn't been my number one priority. But I have been recording things with it throughout the months that I haven't uploaded, and I also have gotten quite a few things from salvage yards that I'm gonna use along with the build. And as a matter of fact, excuse me. And as a matter of fact, once I get through rambling, no, you know what? I'm gonna just run through some stuff. So some of the things that will be upcoming, well, that I have, I went to salvage yards. I found the dashboard, like everything that I would need for the dashboard, like the plastic piece, not the dashboard. I found the dash pad too, and I fiberglassed it, but I think I'm gonna lay like a false, like leather type thing on it instead of just outright buying a whole nother dash pad. I found the inlays for like the dashboard, the color match paint. Also, the truck does have some rust spots in the floor pan, so that's going to be coming within the future. I found some of like door panels that I plan on doing with fiberglass. Excuse me. Excuse me. Anyways, like with the door panels, I found some things with the door panels that I plan on fiberglassing and fabricating, since quad cab parts are very hard to come by. So some things I'm gonna have to do just to salvage, including like the back plastic pieces where the seat belts and stuff go at. And also, like, the salvage yard has been my best friend because I found, like I said, the dashboard pieces. I found this tailgate that I'm sitting on. I don't know if I uploaded that video or not, but it's been so long. But like this tailgate I'm sitting on, going to the salvage yard has been my best friend versus trying to source all those things from eBay. And also, one of the best finds that I found was a 84 F150. I want to say it was the XLT Lariat. It had it had bucket seats up front. So I scored me some bucket seats for this truck at a steal, and I do plan on doing something like with the center console, potentially probably finding like a wrecked F250 or 350, probably like about a 2004, 2005, somewhere along there, and take that fold down like the center console type seat that has like the cup holders and stuff out of a wrecked like 250, where it's like kind of like a jump seat, instead of just going online and buying an expensive what's the word I'm looking for, like center console. So I've been doing a lot of things on budget, and I'll give a couple little shots on the interior, and then until next time, man, y'all take it easy.